we've already seen that chemical digestion takes place with the help of some biological molecules, which we call enzymes. Now let's see the types of enzymes and exactly what they do. The first type is the carbohydrase. Carbohydrase enzymes are secreted by the mouth, the pancreas, and small intestine. The carbohydrase enzymes are secreted by the mouth, the pancreas, and the small intestines. This is where they are released, or this is where they are released onto the food. What do? They help digest carbohydrates. So just as the name implies, carbohydrates will digest carbohydrates. With enzymes, normally they end in ASE. Now let's see certain types of carbohydrates. One type of carbohydrates is the amylase. The amylase is present in saliva that is released by the salivary glands in the mouth. The amylase will break down starch. Starch is a polysaccharide. When we say a polysaccharide, we are talking about several molecules of glucose combined. Several molecules of glucose combined. Now the amylase will break these several molecules of glucose into twos. So over here we see several molecules of glucose combined. The amylase will break these into twos. Each pair is called maltose. Since it is made up of two glucose molecules, it is a disaccharide. So amylase will break down starch, which is a polysaccharide, into maltose, which is a disaccharide. Now that is not the simplest form the body needs. So another enzyme called maltase. Maltase is produced in the small intestine. It will break down maltose into glucose. So then the maltase will break down the maltose so that we get the glucose standing on their own. So amylase will split them into twos, maltase will split them into ones. Now once we get the glucose, the body will then absorb the glucose. So amylase is produced in the mouth. It breaks down starch into maltose. Maltase is produced in the small intestines. It breaks down maltose into glucose so that the body can absorb the nutrients.